In this video we will see how to use the diameter measuring instrument. The instrument comes in a flight case box which is suitable for all modes of transport. The vital components of the instrument are given separate rubber partitions to protect the individual components from bumping into each other during transportation. All the electronic systems in this instrument are designed to withstand any vibrations occurring during transportation. The composite 10 meters long cables are specially designed with Teflon and polyurethane to withstand high temperature and pressure to protect against puncture due to harsh site conditions. The controller unit is having an inbuilt battery that can be charged before on-site activities. It is recommended not to charge the device at the time of taking the measurements. The charging socket provided will support from 110 volts to 240 volts, which is available in most countries. When the charging cord is plugged into the controller unit, battery status indicator is shown. When all three red LED are turned into green, the battery is completely charged. Other than the charging socket, two more sockets are provided in the controller unit. One of the sockets is used for the optic sensor and the other one is used to connect the mechanical wheel unit. For connecting the mechanical wheel unit, one end of the cable is inserted into the controller unit and the other end is inserted into the socket provided in the mechanical wheel unit. Similarly, for connecting the optical sensor, one end of the cable is inserted into the controller unit and the other end is inserted into the socket provided in the optic sensor. After the above cable connections are finished, the measuring equipment has to be fixed firmly in a nearby platform in such a way it stays stable throughout the period of measuring activity. A magnetic flag switch should be mounted in any appropriate place on the surface of the rotating roller or tire or shell, so that it completes full rotation without bumping onto any other parts. The optical sensor should be mounted on a magnetic stand that is properly secured on a firm platform. The optical sensor should be positioned in such a way that the rotating magnetic flag switch, which is mounted on surfaces of roller or tire or shell, passes through the optical sensor. Using the special G-clamp provided in the toolkit box, the mechanical wheel unit should be mounted on any temporary structure. This temporary structure is typically fabricated out of L-angle to suit the on-site condition. Mounting holes that are perpendicular to each other are provided to suit different on-site conditions for mounting the G-clamp. Sufficient cleanliness of the contact surfaces should be ensured for obtaining the proper measurements. The spring tension has to be applied between the measuring wheel and the contact surface to ensure there is no slippage between the contacts. To apply spring tension for the measuring wheel, first, loosen the handle and insert a lever rod into one of the holes provided in the measuring wheel, and leverage is applied to the tension spring. After sufficient leverage is applied, the handle should be tightened. Use the 4 thumb screws provided in the measuring wheel for fine-tuning the alignment. The measuring wheel axis of rotation should be aligned with the rotation of the rotating surface. If the contact of the rotating surface is rough, the linear movement of the rotating wheel will help to adjust the roughness while keeping the fine-tuning alignment intact. Now it is time to take the actual measurements. Switch on the control unit using the on-off switch provided. Wait for the magnetic flag switch to trigger the optic sensor. After the first trigger is made, the start lamp begins to glow and the reading begins to increase in the display. Now wait for the second trigger to be done by the magnetic flag switch at the optic sensor. After the second trigger has been done, the whole lamp begins to glow and the reading stops increasing. This final reading is the diameter of the measured surface. Note this value in your observation documents. To take consecutive readings, press the control unit's reset button and repeat this procedure. The observer must measure the diameter of the supporting roller in various positions along its width to determine its cylindricity, and corrective adjustments must be made based on the results of the readings. It is recommended to take note of the position of the measuring wheel along the width of the roller. Similarly, The observer must measure the tire diameter at various positions along its width to determine the cylindricity of the tire, and based on the reading's conclusions, corrective adjustments must be made. It is advised to make a note of the wheel's location along the tire's width. In some kilns it's easy to reach the tires from below. In such a situations our measuring wheel and optical sensor can be fixed accordingly. Now our on-site work is completed and the instrument can be packed safely.